Hi, so my name is Ong Jason, and this video is basically just gonna demonstrate the individual project two for the web application and hacking course. So after going through the lectures, the tutorial of the individual project two, and this video is basically just kind of demonstrating what I got so far, so we can use what we learned to build for our team project, which is the mini Facebook. So first of all, we will go to the form, which is if you're a user, you can log in. If you have an account, you can log in. If you don't have an account, you can register here. So we'll just simulating a new user that doesn't have an account. So you go to new user. Now, of course, you can see there's some CSS in it because we use Bootstrap, which is an open source CSS. So let's say we say admin and then username. Well, we'll say Um, as user, and then admin, and then admin at mail.uc.edu. And then we will have a password, which is admin123, and confirm password admin123. And we will register. And then we will have a message saying that registration successful, even though it shouldn't be alert, but I put it alert just so it's convenient. Probably we can have it under, I would say, just redirect and say that alert successful. But because I want to redirect, so I just include the alert message. So after that, you will be redirect to the form to proceed to login and admin123 login, and then you would say welcome admin. So that's the register and login part. So if you want to change password, you say admin123, admin123, and no, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, I guess. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then change password. Password change successfully, and then because I use alert because it's kind of convenient where you will just show, and then after you will be redirect to kind of like the index saying welcome back. And because I didn't include the change password edit profile after you being redirect back. So we have to log out again and then log in again. Admin and admin1, 2, 3, 4, and you'll be back. And then also include the edit profile picture. I mean, not profile picture, it's more so the feature. So, and then you instantly get back your full name and the email address you want to change. So this is basically just after you click the form, and then the logic will just instantly go to the database and then get your full name and the email address and then display it, render and display it to you. So if you don't change anything, obviously that's a valid action. You're still able to update. So that's valid. But if you want to change, we can simulate that in 1, 2, 3, 4. And then edit profile. I don't want to be test users. I want to be admin user. Admin, well, yeah, admin user. And admin user at CDU. And then you'll be changed. Profile update successfully, and you'll be redirect. And we log out, we log in again. And then admin1, 2, 3, 4. We can check if it's there. It's there. So that's kind of like the features that we did and we implemented. As you can see, it's Bootstrap, CSS, open source, so it's kind of like the same structure and same style. And if we want to test the CSRF prevention, we can also test that. Let's say we log out again and then we log in. We want to change the password, say. So we want to change the password, admin1, 2, 3, 4, and then password, it can be, I guess, admin12, and 1, 2. and we change the but yeah, it can be, yeah, that's too small. I mean, too less of a word for password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we change, and then if we change, and then we will go to change password, and because we have current password equals, let's say, I guess password 3, and then the new password be this is admin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think it matters now, but it's whatever. And then hacker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then confirm password will be hacker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would, yep, and then it will say CSRF attack is detected.